In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Facebook leads straight to Mailchimp. If you run Facebook lead ads, the fastest way to put those signups to work is to send them directly into Mailchimp as contacts. That way, you can welcome people automatically, keep them organized, and start nurturing them without copying and pasting anything. We'll use Mailchimp's built-in Facebook app integrator, so everything happens right inside your Mailchimp account. First, open Mailchimp and look to the left side of your dashboard. Click on Integrations in the left pane. This is where Mailchimp connects with other platforms. In the search bar at the top of the Integrations page, type Facebook. From the results, select the Facebook app integrator by Mailchimp. This is the official connector, and it's designed specifically for moving your Facebook leads into Mailchimp reliably. On the Facebook integrator page, click Get Started. You'll see an option to connect your account. Click Connect Your Account, and then log into Facebook when prompted. A pop-up may appear asking you to allow permissions. Approve the prompts so Mailchimp can receive lead data securely from Facebook. This doesn't post to your page or change your ads. It simply authorizes Mailchimp to capture leads generated by your forms. Once you've logged in and confirmed access, you'll be brought back to Mailchimp with a success message. And there you go. From here on, new leads from your Facebook lead forms can flow straight into your Mailchimp account as contacts. That means you can quickly reach out with campaigns, add them to automations, and keep everything in one place. A few tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're signed into the correct Facebook profile that manages your page and lead forms, and keep pop-ups enabled in your browser so the login window can appear. If a screen seems stuck, a quick refresh usually brings the status up to date. And if you ever change your Facebook password or permissions, you can return to the integrations page in Mailchimp to reconnect. Once leads are arriving in Mailchimp, you can organize them with tags or segments and layer on automated welcome emails to make a strong first impression. That's outside the scope of this setup, but it's a great next step to turn fresh interest into lasting engagement. That's all. You've connected Facebook to Mailchimp using the official integrator, and now your Facebook leads can convert directly into contacts in your Mailchimp account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.